hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? Is it Shane's birthday?
No.
No. Is it T's birthday?
No.
Is it Daddy's birthday? No. Is it Mama's birthday?
No.
Yes. What do you say when it's someone's birthday?
2.
You say happy. Happy birthday. Can you say it? Say it loud.
Happy birthday.
To Mama. Mama. Say it. What are you doing?
Dila.
Do you guys want her?
Do you want her? Yeah.
You ready to go?